Beneath the vibrant neon glow of Times Square and amidst the ceaseless hum of Fifth Avenue, New York City harbors a tantalizing secret, not confined to scandalous gossip rags or hidden speakeasies, but rather it's a vision, an ethereal whisper of what the city could become. This vision, not etched in the cold embrace of concrete and steel, but delicately traced in the very waters that cradle its iconic shores, unveils the compelling narrative of New York City's audacious quest to expand from the surrounding waters. As our metropolis, a concrete island pulsating with the rhythmic heartbeat of 8.8 million souls, continues to flirt with its watery borders, the historic Battery, once a solitary military outpost guarding the mouth of the Hudson, now stands swallowed by towering skyscrapers, a testament to the boundless drive propelling the city forward. However, as the population swells and the looming specter of climate change asserts its presence, New York grapples with a profound dilemma: how to grow expansively without bursting at the seams or succumbing to the inexorable rise of the tide. This is where the initial whisper metamorphoses into a resonant roar, a clandestine plan taking concrete shape. Two formidable contenders, each a titan in its own right, step into the limelight of possibilities. New Mannahatta, resonating with the echoes of the Lenape tribe who first called this land home, envisions the birth of a colossal new downtown emerging from the lower harbor. A sprawling canvas spanning 1,760 acres, adorned with parks, homes for 250,000 residents, and even subway lines gracefully snaking under the waves. Picture, if you will, Central Park 2.0, with the Statue of Liberty gracing its expansive backyard. Meanwhile, the FidiSeaport Resilience Plan sets its focus on the island's southern tip, constructing a formidable protective barrier against the relentless onslaught of storms and rising seas. Envision green spaces adrift on the East River, offering a vibrant sanctuary amidst the concrete jungle, a testament to resilience in the face of nature's fury. Yet as these titans of brick and dreams embark on their ambitious journey, they traverse a precarious tightrope laden with challenges. Environmentalists raise their voices, cautioning against the potential disruption of delicate ecosystems, forewarning of murky waters and displaced creatures. Each brick laid on reclaimed land must carry the weight of a promise, a commitment to act as green guardians and restore what is borrowed from the sea. Architects, the visionaries dreaming of innovative designs and resilient infrastructure that bends harmoniously with the undulating waves, find their dreams tethered to the harsh reality of financial constraints. The colossal whisper of billions whispers tales of future taxes and economic viability. Simultaneously, community leaders step into the narrative, advocating for inclusivity and demanding that this expansion metamorphose into a bridge, not a wall. Affordable housing becomes the bedrock of these new shores, a tangible commitment rather than a mirage shimmering in the distance. In this delicate dance on a tightrope for the future of New York, the arduous tasks of dredging and construction loom on the horizon, their enormity comparable to Everest. Yet the alluring rewards, akin to sirens' calls, beckon persuasively. More breathing space, homes for the forthcoming generations, and a resilient city standing tall against the relentless tide. Before dismissing this as pure fantasy, a historical reflection reminds us that New York thrives on audacious dreams. Across the globe and through the annals of time, Venice, a city of canals and gondolas, expanded its footprint by reclaiming land from the sea, transforming marshes into bustling districts over centuries. Contemporary marvels such as Dubai, with its palm-shaped islands rising from the Persian Gulf, exemplify the confluence of ambition and engineering that redraw the boundaries of possibility. Navigating through the labyrinth of environmental concerns, the narrative pivots to a crucial juncture where lessons from history's missteps serve as a guide. Acknowledging that some land reclamation projects have left scars on ecosystems, disrupting habitats and water quality, there emerges an opportunity to forge a new path. Today we stand at the cusp of a chance to integrate sustainable practices from the outset, creating new land that not only caters to our needs but also respects the delicate balance of nature. A subtle shift in focus brings us to New York's rich history of innovation, a city that embraces challenges and refrains from shying away from rewriting the rules. The Brooklyn Bridge, a testament to overcoming skepticism when it was deemed impossible to span the East River, defied doubts. The skyline, reaching higher than skeptics claimed skyscrapers would buckle under their own weight, solidified New York's legacy as a testament to audacity, resilience, and a relentless spirit. As we stand at the precipice of possibility, the echoing question resonates through the canyons of the city. Can New York City truly grow from water? Should it, with wings spread across the waves, carve out new horizons? The answer is not a mere whisper. It is a collective voice shaping the destiny of the city. It beckons each inhabitant to share their thoughts, join the ongoing conversation, and become an integral part of the narrative as New York City embarks on a quest to explore new frontiers, where together the chapters of its future are to be written.